So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Studying with Animesh. So in the previous lesson we have basically studied about arithmetic, and today's lesson we will be studying about unary operator and equation that comes on unary operator. Okay. So first of all we will see plus plus a or a plus plus. What is this? You have seen it many times. What is this? This means increment. Okay, increment. This plus 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 means increment. Okay. A shorter form of this, a is equal to a plus 1. This is the shorter form of it. Okay, so this means increment operator. Minus minus a or a minus minus. What does this means? This means decrement. Decrement operator, and this means increment. Increment operator. If we have to write this, a minus 1, we will write this. Okay, I am telling in more details just after some time. Okay, so a plus plus or a minus minus. In English, you know, we called prefix, postfix. So in Java also, we called it, what we called it? We called it postfix. Postfix operator. Postfix operator. When variable is given and after that plus plus sign or minus minus sign is given, then we call it a postfix operator. Okay. And when plus plus a or minus minus a is given, we called it, what we called it? We called it prefix operator. Prefix operator. Okay. So operator, postfix operator, what does it mean actually? It means in this operation performs first. Okay, in this operation first performs and then increment or decrement. Okay. In postfix operator, first operation will perform and then increment or decrement based on the question. Okay. In prefix, I have written prefix. Sorry, it's prefix. In prefix operator, increment or decrement based on question first performs in prefix operator, first increment or decrement will perform, and after that then operation will perform. Okay, so basically postfix operator is an operator in which operation is performed first and then increment or decrement as based in question. In prefix operator, increment or decrement first performs and then operation will perform. Okay, so this is postfix operator and prefix operator. These are the two operators, and we will be doing questions equivalent based on this. Okay, so here it is. So here is a question based on this. Int a is equal to 3. Okay, I have assigned a in 3. Value of a is equal to 3. Int b is equal to a plus plus. I have written int b is equal to a plus plus. SOPLN a, SOPLN b. Okay, I have written SOPLN a, SOPLN b. In this program, you have to basically print the value of a and b. So let's see. Here a is equal to 3. It is written a is equal to 3. Okay, and in b it is written b is equal to a. So first here it is written a. Okay, so firstly we will write the value of a. The value of a is 3. In this we will write first a 3. Value of a 3. Plus plus is written. So plus plus basically means plus plus or minus minus. Plus plus means we have to just add 1 plus 1, and minus minus means we have to just subtract 1. Okay, a plus plus means we have to just add 1 in value of a. So here the value of a becomes 4 and the value of b is 3. We will not change the value of b, but instead we will change the value of a. Okay, SOPLN, what is the value of a? 4. What is the value of b? That is 3. Here is the answer of this question. Let's move on to our next question. So yeah, our next question. Our next question is int a is equal to 3. Okay, I have assigned 3 in a. Int b is equal to minus minus a. See what I have written, minus minus a. Int a is equal to 3. Int b is equal to minus minus a. Then SOPLN. SOPLN, the full form of SOPLN is system.out.println. Okay. A. I am writing the full form of it. In the program, you will not write SOPLN. If you write, the marks will be deducted. So you have to write a full form. System.out.println. In this way, you have to write. System.out.println basically means you just compiler will compile it. Just print the value of a and b. So let's see. Here the value of a is equal to 3. Let's see the value of b. What is the value of b? Here b is equal to written minus minus a. So minus minus a means we have to first see what is written. Minus minus. First we have to deduct the value of a by 1. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Minus 2. So in a there is 2. Then it is written a. So then we will write in b, we will write 2. Okay. So here it is saying SOPLN a, मतलब system.out.println a. What is the value in a? Is equal to 2. Similarly in b, what it is written? It is written 2. It's also 2. So this is how we have to do our programs. I have given 2 basic sums and now I am going to give some difficult problems. So yeah, next question. Here a is equal to 3. Okay, I have written a is equal to 3. Now this gonna be some difficult from the previous one. Okay. And I'm giving the condition a is equal to, this is the value of a, and now I'm going to give you the condition plus, don't be confused between 3 plus, okay? You know 2 plus and 1 plus of arithmetic. See how many pluses there are. A minus minus plus a minus 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 minus. So this is your question. This is not Q or P, this is only A. Okay. This is your question. I am giving you just 5 minutes to solve it. Just 5 seconds to solve it. See how can you solve it. Okay, your time is up. Now I am solving it. First of all, you will write a is equal to as it is. Then you will see a. You just write the value of a, then plus plus written 4. Here from 3 it will become 4. Plus 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 a means you have to first add 1 and then write 5. Okay. We will just write plus and you have to just write value first. A is written first, so you just write what is the value, that is 5. Then it is written minus minus, see this minus minus. Then we will just deduct 1 in this, so it will become 4. Then it is written minus, just use the minus sign. Minus minus a. First there is written minus minus 2, we will deduct 3, it become 3. Then it is written a, then we will what it is written. This is the solution. I will solve it is C. 3 plus 5 minus 3. So A is equal to, what will it come? 5 plus 5, 10, 13 minus 3, it will come 10. You will write one more step. 5 plus 5 plus 13 minus 3, and then it will become 10. So this is question that we done. I am going to give you some more interesting question on this. Yeah. Let's see the next question. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. Okay. Here A is equal to 4. Value of A is 4 and value of B is 3. So let's see the condition. C is equal to, I have written C but I have not given the value of C. Don't afraid. It will not asking the value of C. It is asking value of C, but you will calculate from these two only. Okay. So A plus plus plus, I have written A plus 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 A plus 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 A minus B minus 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 B minus 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 B. So this is your question and I am giving you just 10 seconds to solve this. Let's quickly solve. Yeah, so time is up. Let's see the solution part. A plus plus means A written. You have to just C is equal to A. What is the value of A? 4. Plus plus. If you will just add plus sign plus plus A. 6. A is written. You write 6. Then minus B. You will write the value of B, that is 3. Minus minus, you will deduct 1. that it will become 2 minus minus b. First you will deduct the value of b, it becomes 1, and then print b. This is your, let's see the solution. 610 minus 3 minus 1, 7 minus 1, c is equal to 6. So here you will also write step 1, this is step 2, and this is step 3, step 4. You will also write steps here if asked in the question, then only. This is our solution of this question. So let's see. So this much only in this video. So thank you, take care, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.